Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce you one special thing which is very useful to all workers. It is an unavoidable item, especially for those who are working as farmers, factory workers, foresters, firefighters, fertilizer movers, cargo movers, car washers, carpenters, construction site workers, clay workers, blacksmiths, mechanics, welders, gardeners and sweepers, etc. It will protect our legs from injuries and several kinds of allergies. This is the hero Gumboot Waterproof. This is the front of all workers. Gumboot Waterproof. Please buy one and use it for a safety life. Gumboot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I am expecting your valuable comments. Thank you. Bye bye.